Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question of geometry in which we are given this square and two circles of radius 3 units are fitted in such a way that they are touching the square tangentially at this point, at this point, at this point, and at this point. These two circles are touching the square tangentially and they're also touching each other tangentially. Okay. So, and what do we need to find out? We need to find the perimeter of this square. So let's see how we can find the perimeter of this square. To find the perimeter, let's first draw the diagonal of this square. Like this, let's draw the diagonal of the square. And we can also draw the two radius that are touching tangentially to the square like this. Let's draw these two radius, this one and one, this one. Okay, so we have drawn these two radii. Since the radius is 3, I will write 3 here and I will write 3 here, right? So this is actually like a small square. This is actually like a small square of side 3. So first of all, let's find the diagonal of this small square. What will be the diagonal of this small square? See, let's apply Pythagoras theorem. As I told you, this radius is touching tangentially. This is 3 and this is also 3. So this is like a right angle triangle. We can easily find the diagonal. Diagonal square is equals to 3 square plus 3 square, which will give us diagonal square is equals to 9 plus 9, 18. That means diagonal is equals to square root of 18, which is nothing but 3 root 2. The diagonal, this diagonal is 3 root 2. Okay. Now, if this diagonal is 3 root 2, definitely this diagonal, is also 3 root 2. Correct? After this, we have 3 and 3 also here. Now we can find the diagonal of the big square. Diagonal of big square. This will be 3 root 2. This part 3 root 2, this one, correct? And we will take 3 root 2 of this small square as well. 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2. Apart from this, we have this 3 and this 3, which forms the diagonal of big square, correct? So this will add up to 6 root 2 plus 6. This is the diagonal of big square, correct? Now there is a formula for diagonal of a square. The formula is diagonal of square is equals to root 2 times the side of square. This is the formula for diagonal of any square. Now let's assume the side of this square that we need to find the perimeter for, let this be x. So diagonal is root 2 times x. This is equals to 6 root 2 plus 6, correct? Now after this, let's find x. X will turn out to be 6 root 2 plus 6 by root 2. This will be the side. And what do we need to find out? We need to find the perimeter. What is perimeter of any square? Perimeter is 4 times side, correct? So in this case, this will be 4x. So let's find perimeter. Perimeter will be 4 times x, which is 6 root 2 plus 6 upon root 2. Okay. Now what we can do? We can actually rationalize this by multiplying numerator and denominator by root 2. Now root 2 times root 2 is 2. So this will give us 2 here, correct? And now we can multiply everything inside the bracket. We will get 2 times 6, 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Plus, say 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times root 2 is 12 root 2. So this will be our perimeter. 24 plus 12 root 2. This will be the perimeter of the square. I hope you understood it well. If yes, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.